My name is Gandeep Kambar, and today I'm going to talk about my final project, Options Premium Analyzer. It's a cloud native serverless application which is designed to analyze the stock options contract. Currently, in its prototype, we are trying to evaluate only for the Magnificent Seven stocks, and the system is responsible to identify the top three most profitable trades. It automates the data collection, its processing, analysis, and providing the results via REST API. The flow begins with the data fetching lambda, which is triggered by CloudWatch event page trigger, and this lambda is responsible to fetch options data and the stock data from the external APIs. And it's also responsible to save the raw data into S3. Then moving on, we have the AWS Glue ETL jobs, which are responsible to transform that data and help calculate the premium percentage across all the contracts. Further, we have Ethna, which is responsible to run the SQL analytics on the process data to help us rank trades by the profitability. And finally, we have an API gateway which exposes a REST endpoint backed by another Lambda which executes these Ethna queries and returns the top three trades to client in real time. Data fetching Lambda. Currently, as you see, we have a CloudWatch event trigger, and currently it's scheduled to run once a day. And in the code, basically we are using the Polygon external API, which is helping us pull all the live or most up-to-date options and stock related data. And finally, it's responsible for saving all the data into our S3. So now we'll run the query through Ethna just to see the results. And it gave us all the process data results for the different contracts. This is our final Lambda, which is querying all the process data via Ethna query, and it's also after getting the results, it's just massaging the data with all kind of error handling, and it's returning the final response to the REST end client via API gateway, and it's a get endpoint which we'll now see which we'll test now via Postman. Now we are going to test our REST endpoint. It's a API gateway via API gateway URL. It's a get call as we saw, and we got 200, and it returned us the top three options and with the various other details for each of the ticker price. Thank you. That concludes my presentation.